Zulkifli became a photographer by accident. It started when he got assigned to document the activities of the organization and the volunteers when a major earthquake hit his neighborhood in West Sumatra in 2009. In 2017, he was selected as one of the recipients of the Permata Photojournalist Grant Program that brought him to Jakarta and started this project during the program. Although he is originally from the highland of Sumatra, he is willing to immerse himself and be part of the community who live in the coastal area. At this exhibition, every single black and white image in the story depicts his empathy for the people and their sinking villages in the coastal of West and Central Java.
I have been working on my project titled The Sinking Java since November 2017. I started from one of the villages in Bekasi Regency, West Java, and then I continued and expanded it to other villages in Central Java. According to the data of the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, more than 44% of the beaches on the north coast of Java Island have been eroded by the rising sea level since 15 years ago. This situation has turned into a serious threat for villages along the coastal areas. Several villages are slowly sinking as the natural landscape is changing. The villagers inevitably have to change their way of living in order to survive in the environment that is no longer safe for them. I predict what have happened to this village will also affect and may be threat to around 23 million people who live along the coastal areas of Indonesia.
From an early stage of his career, Zhu devoted himself to documenting people and environmental issues. Nowadays, he divides his time between Sumatra and Jakarta, working on personal projects and taking assignments for editorial work.